So hey guys, I am here with another wig review. Today I have the Butta lace frontal wig from the Sensational wig line. I have to say 5 stars for the curl patterns, 5 stars for the baby hair and the texture. This wig, believe it or not, is actually a synthetic wig, but when you feel it, like if you was to feel this hair, it is so soft and the curls are so beautiful. Like when people saw this hair on me, they didn't know if it was a cap or if it was a sew-in. That's how nice this wig was. And you know, I have like 2 of these in my cart right now that I'm gonna purchase. I have to say that the install for this wig was pretty simple. All I did was adjust it to my head, and when I took it out, I was like loving the curls. Look at the curls, like they are so beautiful. The next thing I had to do was I had to cut the lace front off, and that's what I did. I didn't show it. I don't know if anyone else does this, but I cut the lace off, and then what I did was I actually used an eyeliner pencil to fix the top part of where the lace is to make it look way natural. Okay, next in this clip I am now focusing on the baby hairs. Now I didn't have any product to lay down the baby hairs, and I needed to quickly put something on my head. So in this clip, what I'm doing is I have my baby hair brush and I'm just laying down the baby hairs in front. I love how this wig was constructed. It is pre-plucked and the hairline is in high definition. I would say that this wig is big head friendly. The middle part is 5 inches, okay? I got this in the color black. It only cost me about $46 when I purchased this wig. Next, what I did was I used a wax stick to lay down the hair to make sure it looks nice and laid, and then I brushed it down with my brush. I loved the texture, the curls, it just looked beautiful and I was feeling it. And as you can see, this is how it looks. I was loving how it looked. If you're interested in this wig, I will leave the information down in the description. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next review. Bye!